Here's a brutal truth: 90% of people will work their entire lives and still struggle financially. They'll blame inflation, their salary, or bad luck, but the real reason might shock you. After analyzing thousands of financial journeys, I discovered the hidden patterns that separate the wealthy 10% from everyone else. Welcome to Cashflow Kingdom, where we break down personal finance without the fluff. I'm here to give you the straight talk about money that your school never taught you. In the next 11 minutes, I'll reveal the 5 wealth-killing mistakes that keep most people broke, plus the exact mindset shifts that can change your financial future starting today. The number 1 wealth killer? We've become addicted to instant everything. Amazon Prime, same-day delivery, buy now pay later. Our entire economy is designed to separate you from your money immediately. Here's what most people don't realize: every dollar you spend today is actually worth about $7 in 30 years if invested properly. That $5 coffee isn't just $5, it's potentially $35 in future wealth you just gave away. Wealthy people understand delayed gratification. They see that Starbucks run as stealing from their future self. Instead of buying that new gadget on impulse, they invest the money and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. The average American spends $18,000 per year on non-essential purchases. Imagine investing that instead; you'd have over $1 million in 25 years. But here's the kicker: most people can't delay gratification for even 24 hours, let alone decades. Here's mistake number 2: thinking your income determines your wealth. I know people making $200,000 who are broke, and others making $45,000 who are millionaires. The difference? One group focuses on earning more, the other focuses on keeping more. Most people get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle: bigger apartment, fancier car, more expensive habits. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's a wealth killer. Meanwhile, wealthy people increase their income but keep their expenses flat. Every extra dollar goes toward investments, not upgrades. They understand that wealth isn't about what you make, it's about the gap between what you make and what you spend. A teacher who saves 20% of her $50,000 salary will outpace a lawyer who saves 5% of his $150,000 salary. The teacher banks $10,000 annually while the lawyer only saves $7,500. Over time, the teacher builds more wealth despite earning less. Your income is your wealth building tool, not your wealth itself. Mistake number 3 is treating debt like it's normal. We've normalized being in debt: student loans,